Electoral rule for every constituency. Section 15 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to the Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. Explain the Section 15 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Understand the importance of electoral rule for every constituency. Provisions in Constitution. Article 324 of the Constitution is about superintendence, direction and control of elections in Election Commission. The Clause 1 says, preparation of electoral rule and conduct of election will be done by the Election Commission of India. Article 327 says, power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950. Section 15 comes under the Part 3, that is, electoral rules for assembly constituencies. Section 15 is about electoral rule for every constituency, and it says, for every constituency, there shall be an electoral rule, which shall be prepared in accordance with the provisions of this Act under the superintendence, direction and control of the Election Commission. So the Article 324 is about the control of election. The preparation of electoral rule is to be vested in the Election Commission of India. And the Article 327 has given power to the Parliament to frame laws related to election. And because of this, RP Act 1950 was enacted, and Section 15 comes under the RP Act 1950. Now we will see conclusion and extra points. The delimitation order defines the territorial extent of each assembly constituency and a parliamentary constituency. A number of assembly constituencies comprise a parliamentary constituency. All assembly and parliamentary constituencies are territorial, that is, have fixed geographical boundaries. An exception is the Sangha AC in Sikkim, which comprises of monks residing in the recognized monasteries all over the state of Sikkim. The electoral rules are prepared assembly constituency wise for both parliamentary and assembly elections, except in the Union territories not having legislative assembly. EROs are appointed for assembly constituencies. In Union territories, where the electoral rules are also prepared for parliamentary constituencies, separate EROs are appointed for parliamentary constituencies. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 15 of the RP Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.